that globally it is now being recognized and loved. And we're very, very thankful to everybody who's seen it, and those who've not seen it, we're waiting for them to see it too. Yeah.
You have a very eclectic cast, like we can see, and they receive love from all quarters. As a director, tell us about the process of handpicking these people for playing the wonderful characters they did in Maharaj. And of course, we didn't say that you have the perfect dream team.
I absolutely do, and that credit goes to Adi. Completely, he's the captain of the ship. He's the captain of all of us. And this film, my first film, Hichki, which I tried to make, was never being made. It was made thanks to Adi. This film also, he believed in us, believed in the script, and allowed me to tell the story. So first, salutations to him. The casting, I think, let me start with Junaid. He and me had met before, and then I saw a screen test of his for a film. So we didn't want a typical film hero. If we got him, he would come with a certain amount of baggage. When you see Karan Das's pictures, he was 23, he was very raw, he was very, very real, very honest. And I have said that in many interviews. I feel that Junaid is a very real, honest and sincere, earnest person. I've known him for 4 years more now, and he's the same person. So a lot of what we wanted for Karan Das, I got in Junaid. We didn't know he would say yes or no. This is not a typical star kid launch. We went with the script. We narrated to him an answer. He took a day, and finally when he said yes, we were very, very happy, because we were presenting him not with, action and dancing and all of that kind of stuff. We were presenting him with a dhoti and a kurta and a mush, and saying, his first line saying, "Thodi chutney." Chutney kya mangi tune to jaat bata di. So it's not a typical conventional heroes. ये आमिर खान के बेटे की पहली पिक्चर, और जी ये आपकी फर्स्ट लाइन होगी थी. So very, very thankful that he chose this, and I'm very, very happy and proud that he's getting all the love today. He's on his third film shoot. I know many people who are newcomers who have not even gone on to their second. So I'm very proud of the fact that people have loved him and appreciated him for that. When it came to Maharaj, the title, the only person we could think of, and God bless his soul, is Irfan Khan. There's nobody else who could play this role but Irfan Khan. And I don't think, and I keep telling Jaideep sir that again and again, it's too much pressure for him, I know. But I feel there's only one actor in this entire universe of country who can match that level of performance, and that is Jaideep Agarwal. He can do anything. He can literally do anything. He's one of the best actors we have undoubtedly in the country. So again, convincing him for Maharaj was a tough one, because initially he said, no, this is a tough role, I don't know how I'm going to play it. Then we had to do a narration with him, explain to him what our take on Maharaj is, why we feel you should play it, and what layers and how we are looking at him. And finally, we're very, very grateful that sir has agreed, and he's getting, rightfully so, all the love that he always gets for every film. Then came Kishori. Shalini had already done Reshma Dota. She was.
Sankin hua कि नहीं हुआ, but I'm really, really thankful to Adi sir, Siddharth bhai, and this amazing cast. I think हो जाता है जब आपकी टीम बहुत अच्छी होती है. नेहा ने अच्छे लाइन में लिखती, मैक्सिमम अच्छे कपड़े पहनाती, और फिर आपके आसपास अमेजिंग एक्टर्स हैं, आपका डायरेक्टर बहुत सॉर्टेड, उसको पता है उसको क्या चाहिए, एंड देन यू जस्ट पुट योर हार्ट एंड सोल, ट्राई टू मेक इट बिलीवेबल टू द ऑडियंस, व्हाटएवर इज ऑन द पेपर, एंड pray that hopefully it goes through, it reaches out to the audience in the right manner.
You've obviously, and you'd like to share it with us, and why?
I don't know, मुझे लगता है कि ये चलता रहता है. जब आप फिल्म शूट में आए थे तब कुछ और सोचते थे एक्टिंग को लेके, फिर जब काम करना शुरू किया एज एन एक्टर तो आपको समझ में आता है कि इट्स नॉट अबाउट थियरी, इट्स अबाउट डूइंग in front of camera or stage. तो उस जर्नी में बहुत सारे एक्टर्स डायरेक्टर्स आपको इंस्पायर करते हैं, आई एम श्योर. बट इफ आई वुड से फ्यू नेम्स इन इंडियन सिनेमा, नसीर भाई, ओमपुरी जी, but I think my all-time favorite is Irfan Saab and Tabu Man, because I think if you look at their journeys, Irfan Saab he's doing something amazing in like 30 years ago when nobody could understand what he was doing. I heard somewhere from his classmate from FDI, NSD, that he used to be on stage and तो उनको ये बोला जाता था कि तुम कुछ करते क्यों नहीं हो, एक्टिंग क्यों नहीं करते. तो अब लोग बहुत ज्यादा इस बात को लेके उनको बोला जाता था कि ये सबसे खराब एक्टर है बैच का. बट ही वाज डूइंग समथिंग अमेजिंग, समथिंग वेरी इंटरनल, एंड वी कुड सी हिज वर्क थ्रू आउट. Yeah, it was amazing. Always inspired by him.
I'm so glad that people have watched the film and they're enjoying the film. And I'd really like to thank Siddharth sir and Adi sir for considering me for this part and for giving this opportunity. And I hope I can continue doing good work.
Well, it's a tough choice as a debut, and it's a very unconventional debut as well. So tell us, what made you gravitate to choosing this project as your first?
You know, I never saw it as an unconventional debut. I've been hearing that a lot, but I've always found that question very confusing because जब मैंने स्क्रिप्ट सुनी तो मुझे बहुत पसंद आई थी. सिद्धार्थ सर की पिछली फिल्म हिचकी मुझे बहुत पसंद आई थी. यशराज is probably the biggest studio in the country today. The film is inherently dramatic. It's not a niche film. It's not really an art film, so to speak. It's a fairly mainstream drama. So I never saw it as a niche film. I never saw it as a odd choice. I thought it was a no-brainer. So yeah, I never saw it that way.
Honestly, firstly, I would love to say thank you to all the audiences who have watched our film और उन्होंने हमें इतना ढेर सारा प्यार दिया. Especially बहुत सारे लोगों ने मेरे डिक्शन पे जो गुजराती एक्सेंट है, जो श और स का खेल है, उस पे बहुत उसे नोटिस किया और उसे इतना सारा प्यार दिया. तो for me, I think I would first like to say thank you to everyone. Viraj as a character, she was very different somewhere from the whole world, and she's the only character that is doing comedy in the film. So for me, when I read that character, firstly I instantly fell in love with it. I remember being in a narration and even Sid sir saying that I just could see you smile and smile and smile, so I knew that you were definitely doing it. So you know, I was very happy with the character. I was thoroughly entertained in the narration. Of course, our writer Sneha, she's written the dialogues very well, and I think that's the first credit, because the character is the dialogues, the character is the way she has been written, and especially the khel of Sir and Shah, which is the most beautiful part. For me to land that correctly, I needed to know Gujarati, I needed to learn it. It is not something that I could have done, because एक होता है भाषा को सीखते हो, उसे सीखने के बाद you have to unlearn it to be able to get it wrong, because मैं गलत बोल रही हूँ उसमें भी. So I think वो सीख के फिर उसको फिर से उसको तोड़ना सबसे ज़्यादा मुश्किल था मेरे लिए. But of course सिड सर एंड आई हमने काफ़ी सारी रीडिंग्स किए. स्नेहा मैम के साथ हम बैठे थे, and she was actually my main she was my anchor actually with this role, because I am not a Gujarati. She was a Gujarati, she's written it, and I was dependent on her completely to understand this. And of course, as Sid sir said, मैंने बहुत सारी गुजराती फिल्म्स देखी. मेरी बचपन की दो दोस्त हैं गुजराती. I used to actually speak to their moms all the time on a voice call. तो मैं उनको बोलती थी कि आप अगर बात नहीं कर सकते तो एक voice note छोड़ दो. तो I used to get a voice note every morning in Gujarati. So I've really tried to get into the world, and to be very honest, अब मुझे वो एक्चुअली completely understand the language now. I can speak it little, लेकिन मुझे वो भाषा अभी पूरी समझ में आती है. And I think that मुझे एक नई भाषा भी सीखने का मौका मिला, which is incredible for me as an actor, as a person. So yeah, ये मेरा प्रयत्न था.
Wonderful, and what a month you've had. Like a huge theatrical hit, a massively loved film on one of the world's biggest streaming platforms. Tell us something about what you loved most about working on Maharaj. And did you think that your fate was going to be scripted this way?
I don't think anybody feels that their fate is scripted in a certain way. We all hope for the best and we all dream big, and I have always had the courage to dream big, and I'm so grateful and glad that I'm being blessed like this by the universe, and it's an overwhelming feeling actually for me. But of course, I think the best part about this film, and I think that everybody says it, is the cast and the crew of the film, because I remember that जब भी हम लंच ब्रेक होता था, everyone used to sit together in a massive tent and everybody used to sit together. किसी के घर से रोज खाना आता था, कोई ना कोई अपने घर से कोई एक स्पेशल डिश या स्पेशलिटी कुछ बना के लेके आते थे, and then the whole team used to sit together and eat. And I think that as Indians we are, आप जब साथ में खाना खाते हो तो I think वो दिल तक पहुंचता है, and I think that that's how we started this. That's how we started this journey, and it's been incredible to be able to perform with these actors, with the rest of the cast who has been exceptional. Of course, Sid sir, who was the captain of our ship, and an incredible team of technicians. So I think that what I take back with me are a lot of fond memories with some incredible people and a lot of learnings.
No, I mean, I don't think I was really thinking about that so much. We shot Maharaj 3 years ago. After that, I've been doing stage, editing, film. Actually, 2 films almost back to back. And then Maharaj came out. So no, I don't think I was really focusing on that. I think I was really happy to be working. So yeah.
Honestly, the thing is that for me this is Junaid and nothing else, because मेरे लिए he's my co-star and a friend, and I think हमने साथ में हमें काम करके बहुत मजा आया. इनफैक्ट हमारे सीन्स भी बहुत मजेदार सीन्स है इस फिल्म के, तो I think it was a breather in the film that even we as actors were getting, because we got to really laugh and enjoy and have a great time on set. मामा मासी का फर्क तो पता नहीं, लेकिन मजा बहुत आया.
Thank you.
I think वो स्टार्ट वहीं से होती है. तारीफ वहां से स्टार्ट होती है कि इतना मन कर रहा था तो तुम्हारा गला पकड़ दिया. I got a very beautiful call from so basically मैक्सिमम चीज़ों पे जब आप कोई भी इस तरह किरदार करते हैं तो उसकी तारीफ वहां से शुरू होती है कि आप उसको हेट करना शुरू करते हो. You really don't like that person around these people, around the world. So yeah.
Honestly, I think प्रेप बहुत ही मजेदार है. अल्फा एक ऐसी फिल्म है which is led by 2 females, and ये जो it's almost like breaking glass ceilings, और आप पहली बार देख रहे हो कि a film has been led by 2 females, especially in a universe, in the spy universe, जहाँ पे आपने हमेशा बहुत बड़े सुपरस्टार्स को देखा है. ऐसी एक फिल्म मुझे शोल्डर करने का मौका मिल रहा है, to be in the same universe as Shahrukh sir, Junior NTR sir, or Hrithik sir, Salman sir, Deepika ma'am, so many people. I think that as an actor, it is the biggest blessing that I have received. But I'll keep my head down and focus and work really, really hard, because it's a big deal for me, and I hopefully stand up to the level that is expected of me. Honestly, Maharaj is something that I shot right after Bunty Aur Buggy 2, and as an actor, what matters is that you're on set and you're doing what you love. And I was exactly doing that. I know that it has been a while since people saw my work come out, But as an actor, I knew that for me, I just wanted to be on set every single day, and I love being in front of the camera. I love prepping for a film, and I think I have always been in that journey. So for me, it wasn't anything different because I get to do what I love every day. You know, I know that everything is released this year, and it's been the most grateful year of my life. But for me, I was okay. I was happy because I was still performing as an actor, and I was working behind the camera. उसका भी एक अलग मजा है, इनफैक्ट उसमें और ज्यादा मजा भी आता है।
मीडिया का रोल हमेशा बड़ा ही रहता है। आप लोग यू हैव द पावर, अ जर्नलिस्ट यू से ना पेन इज माइटियर देन द स्वॉर्ड। वो सेइंग क्यों होती है? वो इसलिए है क्योंकि द पेन इज माइटियर देन द स्वॉर्ड। द मीडिया हैज द पावर टू चेंज परसेप्शन, टू चेंज द वे पीपल थिंक, एंड द मीडिया कैन यूज द पावर फॉर समथिंग एंड अगेंस्ट समथिंग। So you have to be, all of us have to be responsible towards that. So to answer your question, media does have a lot of power in today's times and will always have that power. As far as the journalist part goes, in Ashram they used it as a tool. In my film, it's a real story. He was a journalist. So ये तो एक मनगढ़ंत कहानी नहीं है, ये तो वाकई बाइकला में एक दादा भाई नवरोजी के लिए पत्रकार और समाज सुधारक था।
नहीं, मुझे नहीं लगता इतना प्रेशर था। माय फैमिली इज वेरी सपोर्टिव, तो उनकी तरफ से कोई प्रेशर नहीं था। मेरे डायरेक्टर बहुत ही सपोर्टिव, मेरे प्रोड्यूसर बहुत ही सपोर्टिव है, माय कास्ट मेंबर्स वर फैंटास्टिक टू वर्क विद। तो मुझे वो प्रेशर कहीं से फील नहीं हुआ। तो इनफैक्ट वो जहन में भी नहीं आया कि कोई कंपेयर, आई डोंट थिंक, क्योंकि I don't think Maharaj is the kind of role Papa would go for now in any case. जी
चेंज होने वाला है सब लड़कियों के लिए, स्पेशली आप बनने वाले हो ना।
Genuinely, मतलब मुझे कहानी अच्छी लगी। I was very excited to work with Yashraj and Siddharth sir, and I did not at that point actually मैं ना इतनी आगे की नहीं सोचता लाइफ में। तो उस वक्त हाँ ये चीजें बिल्कुल जहन में नहीं आई थी। एक्चुअली आई गेस द क्वेश्चन इज मोर फॉर सिद्धार्थ सर, आदि सर, व्हाट वर दे थिंकिंग?
So I have the belief, and when we did the readings, in fact, before the final yes was done, Adi sir told us कि 2 हफ्ते लो और पूरी फिल्म पढ़ के आओ। तो फर्स्ट हाफ की पूरी नरेशन की जुनैद ने प्रिपेयर करके, he read the full thing, read it as concern. So you have to give the actor credit for the passion and dedication he has put to deliver. 1 साल रोज उसने ये पूरी स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी।
That's incredible.
And to give that dedication and passion, and when we keep saying star kid, he's not a star kid. He's a star kid in real life, but he doesn't behave anything like a star kid. He's a very, very real and honest person.
Oh wow.
And there's no nepotism tag that can be applied on this kid at all. It can't. So anyway, I mean that's my answer. He's put in all the measures, and to play a journalist or any character, I think the kind of actor he is, he will always give his 100%.